In the heart of San Francisco, nestled inside a big, beautiful zoo, lived a playful monkey named Miley. She had soft brown fur, a curly tail, and the silliest giggle in the whole zoo. Every morning, Miley loved to swing from tree to tree, making funny faces at visitors and sharing bananas with her monkey friends. But today was special. Today, Miley woke up to the sound of excitement.
Miley woke up to the sound of laughter and music. She climbed up the tallest branch and gasped. Colourful balloons, bright banners, and lots of happy kids. Just then, her best friend, Penny the Parrot, fluttered down beside her. Penny: "Miley, it's Zoo Day. There's going to be games, treats, and a big parade." Miley: "A parade? I have to be part of it." But then Miley frowned. "Wait, I wasn't invited." Penny: "Then let's find a way to join the fun." Miley was determined. She tiptoed past the sleepy lions. Shh! She wiggled past the dancing flamingos. Oops! Excuse me. And finally, she reached the parade lineup. There were elephants in party hats, penguins sliding on ice, and even a zebra playing a drum. Miley bounced up and down. "I want to join." The parade leader, a big friendly panda named Pablo, smiled.
"Well, Miley, do you have a special talent?"
Miley thought hard, then grinned. Miley, excited. "I can do the super monkey spin." She climbed a tree, swung around 3 times, and landed with a perfect tada. The crowd cheered.
That's amazing. Miley, you're in the parade.
See, as the sun set over the zoo, Miley felt so happy. She may not have been invited at first, but with a little courage and a lot of fun, she found her place in the biggest zoo adventure ever. And from that day on, whenever there was a parade at the zoo, you could always find Miley the monkey swinging, dancing, and making everyone smile. The end.